What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Another hair appointment vlog. This hair is from Osley. It's a human hair unit, and this is one of my faves to throw on. She is a blonde, multicolor, 28-inch curly unit, baby, and she is actually a closure. Now, the closure units are going to get us through those days where it's hot outside, where we just need to throw on a unit and it looks good. We just want our hair to look good. We got some extra little goodies: lashes, band, cap. But let's go ahead and open up our unit so I can show you guys this curl pattern, what it looks like, a little bit more details. I love the curl pattern. It's giving Beyonce. And I did take her to the hair salon because I kind of wanted her secure it down, although she was a closure, but minimum glue. You know, that's the whole point. So this is the curl pattern. Like I said, Beyonce color. It's just giving Beyonce. You know, we've been in our Beyonce era this year, haven't we? So when I flip it around, as you guys can see, it is a closure. So just a small part, and these are perfect go-to wigs. So I was at the salon, and look, this is what it looks like when we're done. We just literally sprayed a little bit of water on it, and she's so easy. That's what I love about her. So easy. I'm thinking about wearing her today, literally, because my hair right now look a mess, and she just so easy to throw on. She right there in my closet. So I really love this unit. This is human hair, so you can, you know, do all the washing and stuff. I have not flat on this, probably would never. But yeah, also, oh, the wig! Okay, so I literally said that if it rains, like, I don't want my curls to mess up, like, or drop. So I also have, you know, this blonde Beyonce wig. These are my Beyonce colored wigs. You guys know I'm a blondie just like her. Call me Beyonce. Beyonce all on this. So it rained and it stopped. So I don't know. We have a curly one, and then this is my straight. So maybe today I'm going to be straight, tomorrow I'm going to be curly, or should I be curly today? I don't know, but let's go ahead and get dressed because it's 7 o'clock. The show starts at 8. Let's go. Ooh, Tasha.
Hey, we made it, y'all. We're here to see Queen and B.
What's up, guys? I just got back from the Beyonce concert. Okay, like Beyonce, like me. This is a closure unit, so she's super easy. I cannot tell you guys enough how easy this unit is to just put on, take off. All I do is kind of tack down my middle, you know, where the closure is right there, and that's it. Frontals are a lot more work. You have to like put glue around your whole perimeter, but with this, no. Like, she's the perfect curly unit when it's raining outside, you know, the weather is a little humid or whatever, and I don't want to do a wig that my curls will drop or whatever. Like, she's perfect. I literally just wash her, define the curls, and then even when I sleep with her, I do plaits, you know, 2-strand twists in the hair, so my hair, because it can get bigger, you know, pretty big. And I just love how the curls are on this unit. The color is perfect. It has a lot of dimension in it, as you guys can see. Different dimensions in it. Ooh, my disco earrings been jingling all night. Let me show you guys from the back. This is her from the back. So let me do my get unready with me. I had such a great time. This is my day 2 at the Beyonce concert, and she's amazing. She's an amazing performer. Probably gonna just do a few sections. Now, also, if I was gonna be fancy with it, I could definitely use a mousse. Like, I have this mousse. a little bit of, let's just put a little bit so I can show you guys. A little bit of mousse in my hand. The section that I just took. Separate the hair out. Okay. You want to go that way or that way? We're going to go this way with it. Boom. And I'm just going to 2-strand twist my hair, so in the morning when we take her down, she good, she Gucci. Yeah, this side I got better with the twist. Okay, so it's time to wipe off this makeup, and then like, yeah, I just put my things up, put the bonnet on, ready to go to sleep. What's up, guys? So I just noticed that I did not come back on and show you guys my hair once I untwisted it, and then last night, y'all, I did not twist it up. So literally just finger my hair out. This is my little go-to, y'all. This is my little go-to. I love this one. Day 2 of the twist out that I did. So sorry I didn't show you guys how it looked the first day. Okay, but so I would just put some water on it to like fix the bend in the curl. This is my go-to. It's going to continue to be my go-to as we wrap up summer and go into the fall. This is my go-to curly unit. It comes in this color. I absolutely love this. Like, I absolutely love it. I know I look a mess right now. Even with me feeling like I look a mess, my hair still is not bad at all. Like, all we have to do is put a little spray in it and we're good to go again. So this is my go-to curly unit. I hope that you guys like it. I'm going to have the link in the description box so you guys can get it if you want this type of curly unit. Super easy. Love the closure about it. Like, so easy. Easy peasy, beautiful cover girl. All right, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.